To use PayPal Credit on Amazon, you will need to follow these steps as Amazon doesn't directly accept PayPal. However, there are a few workarounds. Link PayPal Credit to your PayPal account. Ensure you have PayPal Credit set up and linked to your PayPal account. If you don't have it, you can apply for it through your PayPal account. Set up a PayPal key. PayPal key is a virtual card provided by PayPal. It allows you to use PayPal Credit at online stores that don't directly accept PayPal, like Amazon. Log into your PayPal account and go to PayPal key. Create a virtual card with a unique number and use it as a payment method. Add PayPal key to Amazon. Open your Amazon account and go to the payment settings. Add the PayPal key virtual card number as a credit card. Make purchases using PayPal Credit. Once the PayPal key is linked to Amazon, you can use it as a regular credit card. When checking out, choose PayPal key as your payment method, and the payment will be processed using your PayPal Credit balance. Pay over time. You can opt to pay your balance over time through PayPal Credit, subject to applicable terms.